Hello everyone, today we are excited to present our grocery store management system and the demonstration as well. I'm Devaneyan and I'm delighted to be as a leader of Group 14. Join my talented group mates Lo Mingwan, Na Isen, Jason Chu and Wong Zhen. In this presentation, we have 5 parts: introduction, problem statement, objective, flowchart and coding explanation, and demonstration. Now I pass the mic to my fellow group mates Jason. Thank you.
So now I will go through the introduction. The grocery store management system describes offer a comprehensive set of features aimed at enhancing both the customer experience and the efficiency of store operation. It's including 6 main features. First, dynamic main menu. At the head of our system is a dynamic main menu that greets user with a user-friendly interface offering options tailored for both customer and administrator. This ensures easy navigation and access to essential functionalities right from the start. The second is customer feature. For our value customer, the grocery store management system offers seamless integration, allowing them to add items, review selection, and view total amount and discounted price. Our system validates inputs and enhance the shopping experience to increase customer satisfaction. And the third is administrator tools. Administrators are granted exclusive access to advanced management tools, including adding, viewing, searching, editing, and deleting products. Robust authentication mechanism ensures secure access to sensitive administrative operation, providing peace of mind for store owner and manager. And the fourth is product management. With our system, administrator can seamlessly add new products, view comprehensive product listing, and efficiently search for specific items within the inventory. They can also modify product details and remove items from inventory, enabling optimal creation and resource allocation. And the fifth is efficiency and adaptability. Our system offers efficient search capabilities, streamlining workflows, and reducing administrative overhead. It enables any administrator to respond quickly to market dynamics and changing consumer preference, ensuring adaptability and flexibility in today's competitive marketplace. The last one is sophisticated yet easy to use solution. The grocery store management system is a sophisticated solution designed with intuitive design principle, empowering stakeholders to optimize operation, enhance the customer experience, and drive sustainable growth. Now, we'll talk about the problem statement. First, we have found 6 of challenge faced by the conventional grocery store. First, lack of customer-centric technology. Customers often struggle to navigate traditional grocery shops due to a lack of information about product details, pricing, and discount, hindering their overall shopping experience. The second is cumbersome navigation for customer. Navigating through product listing in the current system can be challenging for customer due to its lack of intuitive interface. And the third is lack of transaction transparency. Customers are unable to view comprehensive invoice of payments, resulting in a lack of transparency that may raise questions and feelings of unease. And the fourth is in the required admin authentication, the absence of a secure authentication system poses a substantial security risk, allowing unauthorized access to critical administrative function. And the fifth is ineffective product search functionality. The current system inefficient search function compromise administrator ability to promptly identify specific items, impacting inventory management. And the last one is limited admin capabilities. Administrators face limitation in viewing the product catalog, adding new products, deleting outdated items, and editing product data. These were hampering their efficiency. Overall, the grocery store management system aims to address this challenge and provide a seamless and efficient solution for modern grocery store. At the end, I have learned the knowledge of C++ language and practical to design a comprehensive system during complete this project. Other than that, I have contributed in introduction, coding, and reference part to the project. I have completed the detailed introduction of this project and do a lot of research to complete the coding part and reference also. Besides that, I have spent almost a week on the project that indicate dedication and commitment to complete it successfully. The most challenging in this project is the coding part, but luckily my teammate all is very cooperate and they all provide a lot of help. We complete the part together and do this project well together. Thank you.
Objectives. A detailed set of objectives has been defined in response to issues that have been found in the administrative and customer parts of our grocery store management systems. All of these goals together address the requirement for enhanced administrative authentication capabilities, customer-centric technology, product search functionality, and transaction transparency. The goal is to improve the entire purchasing experience by transforming the system into a more effective, safe, and user-friendly platform. Enhance customer-centric technology, implement robust admin authentication, expand admin capabilities, enhance product search functionality, ensure transaction transparency. Flow charts and coding explanations. So for the system flowchart, you can choose either login by administrator or customer. Any administrator menu flowchart, you can log in by username and password, then proceed to administrator menu. As administrator, you could add product, view product, search product, edit product, and delete product. For add product flowchart, after you log in, you could enter product number, name, price, and discount. For view product, you could view what product did you enter into the system. For search product, you could search product by product number. For edit product, you could edit product by entering product number and enter the new name, new price, and new product discount. For delete product, it's simple. You could delete product by just product number. For customer project, you can add product to your cart and it will show the list and place the order. After placing order, you can double check the cart. It will provide you the invoice and the grand total.
What have you learned from the subject? For this subject, I have learned and know more about C++ language. I can code a system by C++. Maybe it's not very diversity or intense, but a simple system will do. I did the part of problem statements and objectives. In the presentation, I did present the objective part and flowchart part. For problem statement, I did surf the internet and find out what the actual problem is for grocery management system. And objective part is the goal we have to achieve and surpass other grocery management systems, such as simplicity and efficiency. For document part, I did forgot how much time I did spend, maybe 2 to 3 hours. But in PowerPoint part, I finished it by 1.5 hours because it's quite simple. I just have to capture the points of the objectives and snap the flowcharts into my PowerPoint part. Development. Actually, I'm not facing much obstacles, but in grocery management system, it's not popular. So there are just a few forum or blog talk and discuss about the problem statement and the objectives. For PowerPoint part, flowchart is hard to snap because it is so long. It's not suit inside the PowerPoint. Like if I separate it half, I feel it very weird. So I decide to snap full of the flowchart so it might not very clear to see.
I am Muniandy. Now I will be in charge of talking about the customer interface functions. The customer interface functions consist of three primary functions. First one is the add to charts functions, which allows the customers to add products to their shopping charts. Second one is the display charts functions, which display the contents of the customer shopping charts. And the last one is the customer menu functions, which presents a menu to the customer with options to add products to the charts, view the charts, or exit. For the add to charts functions, these functions allow the users to add products to their charts by displaying the available products and prompting for products numbers and quantities. It will repeatedly ask the users for products numbers until the user chooses to cancel the operations. And it verifies the validities of the products numbers and quantity and entered by the users. If the product number is valid, it will add the selected products to the charts and inform the users of the successful additions. After that, it will continue to provide options for the users to add more products or to stop adding products to the charts. And next, for the display charts functions, these functions displays the contents of the charts along with the calculated total amounts and discounted amounts. It first checks if the chart is empty and inform the users if it is. While if the chart is not empty, it displays the invoice headers and interacts over each items in the charts. For each items, it calculates the total amount and discounted amount using the calculates discounts methods of the product class, and it display the details of each items including product numbers, names, quantities, price, total amount, and discounted amount. Finally, it calculates and displays the grand totals of the charts. And last, the customer menu functions. These functions presents menus to the customers with options to add products to the charts, view the charts, or exits. It repeatedly displays the customer menu and prompts the users for inputs until the user chooses to exit. Based on the user choice, it calls the corresponding functions, for example, add chart functions to add products to the charts, display charts functions to view the content of the charts, and or exits the loops if the user chooses to exit. And it will handle invalid choices by displaying an appropriate message. And what have I learned from the subject? From these subjects, I have learned about the implementations of grocery management systems using C++. It involves various concepts such as classes, vectors, input-output operations, algorithms, and user authentications. And my contributions to the projects encompasses implementing key functionalities such as charts management for customers, designing users-friendly menus, and ensuring robust error handlings and input validations mechanisms. And in details, I designed and implemented the logic allowing customer to add products to their charts, specifying the quantity for each items. This involves validating user inputs, checking for products availabilities, and updating the charts accordingly. Furthermore, I implemented the features to display the contents of the charts, including individual items details and the calculations of the grand total with discount applied. And I have spent approximately 20 to 25 hours developing my part of the projects. What are the obstacles I faces during the project developments? Debugging logical errors and unexpected behavior, in my opinion, was one of the most difficult challenges encountered during project developments. For example, I need to ensure that the calculations for discounts and grand totals in the chart management functionalities were accurate and properly accounted for various scenarios such as multiple items and different discount rates.
In my part, I begin by highlighting the administrator interface function. As an administrator, the system provides several functionalities to manage the store inventory. These are the functions are encapsulated within the grocery store class, ensuring control access and secure operation. Adding a product. This function enables administrator to add new products to the store. Administrator are prompt to input details such as a product number, name, price, and discount. Once added, the product becomes available for purchase by the customer. Next is viewing product. Administrator can view a list of all products currently available in the store. This function display a comprehensive list including product numbers, name, price, and applicable discounts. It provides administrator with an overview of the store's inventory for a better management. Next is searching for a product. In case the administrator need to find a specific product, this function allows them to search by a product number. If the product is found, its details including number, price, and discount are displayed. This feature facilitates a quick access to product informations, adding a efficient inventory management. Next is editing a product. To update Product details, administrator can utilize the edit functionality. After entering the product number, administrator can modify attributes such as name, price, or discount. This function ensures the product information remains accurate and up to date. Next is deleting a product. When a product are no longer carried by the store or become obsolete, administrator can delete them from the inventory. By specifying the product number, administrator can remove the product from the system. Deleting unnecessary products help maintain a clean and organized inventory database. Next is administrator menu. The administrator menu serves as the central hub for accessing all the administrative functionalities. Administrator can navigate through various options, including adding, viewing, searching, editing, and deleting products. It provides a user-friendly interface for managing a grocery store inventory efficiently. The last is authentication. Before accessing what administrator functionalities, administrator must authenticate their identity. This function prompts administrator to enter their username and password for verification. Successful authentication grants access to the administrator menu, ensures secure operation. Thank you. I gain valuable knowledge through theoretical learning and also practical lab work. Topics cover including file handling, defining classes, and various aspects of software development such as object-oriented programming principle, algorithm, and data structure. As a leader, I guided my team members, assigned tasks, and incorporated their suggestions to improve our coding and project report. I shared knowledge from my diploma studies and focused on the administrative part of the code, implementing security features and ensuring error-free execution through debugging. Additionally, I contributed to the project report by providing detailed description, use case diagrams, flowcharts, pseudocode, and a professional business plan. My major contribution was in coding the administrative part, including adding security features. I also conducted through error checking and debugging to ensure smooth functionality. In the project report, I provided comprehensive explanation in the appendix section, along with the detailed diagrams and the professional business plan. I manage my time efficiently by dedicating a study time and also assignment time. I made a continuous improvement to the project during my free time, completing my part within 2 weeks while balancing other assignments. Common obstacle including ensuring code quality and managing project scope. As a leader, I face challenges in meeting all the members' requirements and filtering the best solution. Debugging also presented challenges for me, but with the team support, we successfully overcome them. Thank you.
My name is Devaneyan. For my part, I would like to do a demonstration for this project. As you can see, this is our main menu of the grocery management system. It provides two categories, which are customer and administrator. And I would like to choose the option 2 first, which is the administrator view. We need to enter the account information. After logging in successfully, the administrator menu will appear. It provides 6 options, and now I would like to choose the first option first, which is the add product. We need to enter the product numbers, product name, and the price and price discount. We may also repeat this step for adding another product. And now I would like to move forward to the option 2, which is view product. As you can see, this is the product list. Through this option, we can view the product name, price, and discounts. Besides, I would like to move to the option 3, which is search option. You need to enter the product number to search the product details. Let's say number 6. And this is the result. And the following is the option 4, which is edit product. We need to enter the product number to edit. Let's say number 7. And we can edit the name and the price and the discounts. After that, I would like to move forward to the option 5, which is the delete product. We also need to enter the product number to delete a product. Let's say number 2. Furthermore, we will select option 6 to exit the administrator menu. And we will come back to the main menu. So now I would like to choose the option 1 for the customer. In the customer menu, it provides two options, which are the add to cart and view cart. We're going to choose option 1 first for add the product to our cart. So this is the product list for the customer to review. And the customer need to enter the product number to add the product to the cart. And the customer may also choose whether to add another product to the cart or not. If let's say they want to continue to adding the product, they can type 1. If let's say they want to shopping adding a product to the cart, they can type 0. So now we will move to the option 2 to view the cart. Through this option, we can view the product name, the quantity, and the price, and the grand total. And now we can choose option 3 to exit the customer menu. And that's all for my demonstration. Thank you. I have learned about how can I apply the coding that I learned to a project from this subject. Besides, I have contributed to discussing the coding with my group leader. And my part is the output screenshot. I have to explain the screenshot and list out the steps for the people to review. I spent about 2 days on my part, and the obstacles that I faced were that the coding sometimes has bugs. So I need to discuss with my team leader to solve the problem. That's all.